If you hate using Allen keys, then you're gonna love this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just picked this up. It's by Amartisan, not artisan, artisan. And it is to replace my Allen keys. Now, this is a very small one here, and little L-shaped tools, and they work very well. So many bolts require the little six-sided key here. And my problem with this is, while, if you put it in like this and pull on the long arm, it gives you some torque to tighten things down or loosen things up. The real problem with these is that they are a pain to use. Sometimes you're doing this and then they fall out, and then when you don't have a lot of space, you have to use kind of the long end, and this doesn't give you a lot of area to grip, and then you're sometimes rotating it to a stop and then pulling it out and then turning it like this and rotating again. It gets really annoying. If you've ever used these, you know what I'm talking about. And so I thought, well, why don't I try to step in to the 21st century here and pick up some bits that will do the job of an Allen key, but relieve me from the problems that I've had where, limited space and constantly turning with my fingers is what kills me. So what we have here are SAE and metric. So we have two sets here. You can see the sizes right there, 10 pieces. And you can see that we have the little Allen key on one side and kind of the standard drop-in size here. So if I just go ahead and get my cordless screwdriver right there, look at that. Now I can drop this in. It's magnetic right there. And now I have this long Allen key, which gives me some space. You might be able to see there. Woo! Yeah, baby! And then we've got 10 standard sizes there, and then 10 for metric. So the nice thing about this, and I can tell you right now, some of these metrics are pretty small. So you can see 1.5 millimeter, 2 millimeter, all the way up to 8 millimeter. So what you get here are a variety of different sizes, which is nice, so that you can find the one that works for you. Go ahead and drop that in. And now what I should be able to do is to remove those types of bolts that require this key much quicker. So I'm actually going to see if I can do that, because I have like a dozen to remove and reinstall, and I'm hoping this makes it easy and maybe even fun. Let's try it out. Well, that was a lot easier than using the Allen key. I'm loving it so far. All right, guys. This made all the difference in the world. Assembling that thing when I got it was a long, drawn-out process. You can see that those bolts are like an inch and a quarter long. But this little guy made it easy. In about 10 seconds, I got him out and back in. So if you are looking to get rid of Allen keys forever and turn your cordless drill into the tool that it is meant to be, I'll put a link to these in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.